Welcome to the H gift shop. Yeah, the H gift shop is up and running, and like we have been going through different parts of it. Today we're going to go around these three dots that I call the menu, and we're going to see what's inside there so that you know what to look for in a right place. So previously we saw about the home and we know what's there. We looked about the category, the contacts, and then we have this sign like a moon which changes from dark to bright mode. We have the wish list where you keep something that you hope to buy in the future, and then this cart where you go to purchase. Today, without wasting time, we're going to look at the about. Here you go. This is me, Hidayah. The woman, the lady, the hijabi, the Muslima are behind this voice you hear, behind the crafts that you see on the H gift shop or the H strands and threads. So, the founder of the H strands and threads. Hello lovely people, like I always say, I'm Hidayah, the creator behind the H strands and threads, a passionate crafter who lives and breathes the art of making. My workshop is a little studio where resin, vinyl, laser cut pieces, embroidery, sublimation and DTF prints come together to create one-of-a-kind gift. One of a kind. What do I make? Ribbon flower bouquets that add a touch of elegance to any celebration. Money bouquet that turn a simple gift into memorable moment. Handcrafted home decor items using resin, laser cut wood, embroidery, textile, and more, a lot more. Crafting isn't just a hobby to me. It's my love language. That's the way I show love to different people, to my customers and many people. Every piece is made with intention, whether I'm inspired by trends on Amazon, Pinterest, Instagram, or endless possibilities of gift and craft world. I promise to strive to blend current trends with timeless craftsmanship, so you can get a gift that feels both fresh and heartfelt. And that's true. I do touch every craft that I make with a lot of love. When you shop with us, you are supporting a small business that puts care into every stitch, cut and pour. Thank you so much guys for supporting me. Please don't forget to shop with the H gift shop, and we have discounts coming soon, so watch out for that. Discounts will be out soon. And for all this innovation, please don't forget to check out Feyman Technologies as the web builder of this beautiful shop. Thank you so much guys for watching. Till next time, keep shopping and stay tuned.